Hello, ninth grade, how are you? I hope that all of you are okay today. So, welcome back, and today our lesson will be workbook page 51. Our lesson, workbook page 51. So please open your workbook page 51 and then hold your pen in order to write any important notes or information that can help you to answer these questions. So, reading comprehension as you see here. These questions depend on what you have read in student book page 52, 53. So please also open your student book page 52 and 53. We have questions and you have to what? To answer these questions depend on what you have read in your lesson champion page 52, 53. Question number 1. Why ought Paul get a place in the national team? Why? You have to what? Write the reason. لماذا? Why ought Paul get a place in the national team? You can find the answer in page student book page 52. Okay? Number 2. Why did Stephen bring in the CD and notes for scientific or science project? Why? Also you have to write what? Reason. لماذا? So when you start your answer you have to start with because and write your answer. 3. Who found the last piece of information that they need? Who found the last piece of information for their project or for their science project? Who? Man. So you have to write what? Name. اسم شخص. الجواب رح يكون. 4. How did Paul bag fall onto the floor? How, which mean كيف. How did Paul's bag fall onto the floor? كيف حقيبته سقطت على الأرض. Floor, which mean الأرض أو الground. الأرض. 5. Why did Paul want to pick up his things himself? There is a reason. 6. What did Paul want Stephen to keep quiet about? طلب منه يبقى هادئ أو متحفظ على سر ما. What is the secret or quiet about what? 7. Why did Stephen didn't say anything to Joe straight away? straight away مباشرة بشكل مباشر. If you remember, in the first scene, there was a conversation between Paul and Stephen about what did Stephen found. But when Joel entered, Stephen didn't say anything to him straight. But he told him the story after or next day. Why? Why do you think that? What will happen to Paul if the other student report him? We mentioned this in 2 points. منشنا هذا الاشي ب 2 points. What will happen to Paul if the other student report him, told the manager or told the headmaster about him. المدير عنه. أخبر المدير عنه. What will happen to him? This is question number 1, will be from 1 mark. Question 2. Read the statements which mean جمل. Write true or false, or not stated. Not stated, we don't know from the text. ما أخبرنا text what is this information about. Okay, not stated غير yes, we can say that we don't know. Number 1. When the play begins, Stephen is putting things away into his sport bag. Yes, true or false. 2. Paul has just done a fast time in running race. Did he mention the running race? 3. Stephen ought to get a place in the national team. Stephen, the group science project is very important. 5. Paul knocked his bag onto the floor and some things fell out of it. Paul knocked which mean أوقعها متعمد. 6. Stephen was shocked at Paul's asking if he wanted to be a second best or the champion. تفاجأ, shocked which mean تفاجأ. Stephen, Joel, Nina, Amy and Katie have met specially to discuss the problem with Paul. كان نقاشهم أو التقائهم مخصص to discuss the problem with Paul. 8. Amy and Nina have the same view about Paul. Amy and Nina have the same view, نفس وجهة النظر تجاه بول. Is it right or false or not stated? Joe thinks that they should tell Mr. Hall about what Paul has done. 10. Paul was going to be given the cup for outstanding achievement. Okay, this is the second question. I hope so it's clear. So also this question will be plus 1 mark. So the first question will be from 1 mark and the second question will be from another mark. Let's continue with the question number 3. Yes, question number 3. Also, you can open your student book, page 52 and 53, that can help you in these questions. Paul is good enough. What is the complete ending? complete ending اللي هي إيش؟ نهاية الجملة. نهاية الجملة الصحيحة as in the text or passage. Paul is good enough. A. To be a national champion. B. To be in the national team. 2. Stephen has brought in the files of notes for the science project or for Paul to finish. But you have to be careful about this. This isn't depend on understanding. You have to open your student book and find the same statement or sentences and try to complete it. Stephen has brought in the file of notes. 3. Paul's bag fell onto the floor by accident حادث يعني بالصدفة on purpose بهدف أو بقصد. Paul put things into his bag quickly because he's in hurry or he doesn't want Stephen to see what is in his bag. Paul didn't want Stephen to say anything to Joe about the bucket, about their conversation. Nina thinks what Paul has done is something that should be discussed or kept secret. Joe is worried that reporting Paul will end his chance of being in the school team or in the national champion. 8. Lastly, they are planning to meet Mr. Hall. Why? To tell him about Paul or to finish the sport program. About it, they actually will meet Mr. Hall. so they will make this a chance to tell him about Paul. Be careful. I hope so. You will answer this question. I will wait your answers. Please don't forget to answer this question. Thank you. Bye bye.